Hadin bun benai ke jingdawa nonghikai school SSA ka sorkar kamsiam lapatiau henry kensan hadin ba kini nonghikai kimla shashu ya ke jimenti jok sorkar kimbansi benmi shasurok penpau ke pyrthei baki dawa ya ka hok baki klemyo ya ka tulok balasan benai jongki 1000 tam nonghikai ha pedeng ke jingyai pai ba nonghikai kum kadak ke jing persya ya sorkar da nonghikai SSA ki balemi pai ba da ki 1000 ngot tam nakaliang jok sorkar jral lembau menteri bopei ya kanat puli puti uba lakmen remboi lakot ya kren ya kini nonghikai nakaliang nonghikai ya swaben le ya kendu ya uba lakmen kilabu ka kendon bak sorkar ka de bensiu dap ya baro ka tulop badang sa teng bat kumjuru bak sorkar kan ada ka jingtho ya ka jingkular sya nonghikai
Ngai layo ketin i magistrate ba nakaliang jong education minister ila khot yakren yangi te akabai dei pat kane ngi wanra hakmat jong pi ki para nonghikai langin le yakren ne in le kumno takade number 1 so we are here to announce to all our SSA colleagues that few minutes back we have received a message from the magistrate that the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rambui have invited us for a talk. So now it depends on you as us and SSA teachers whether we will go and meet the Education Minister or what is your decision. Sengap mo. Nakaliang chonging ila penbek para noyalam nongbah. Aba nakaliang baro chikata balengin hapan mi mentakas ni hado hang ni. Kadau hi kadai namar pa government kam khot yakren. Okay? Why we are here today? Because the government forced us to be here. Since the last few months we have continued our protest, so there is no invitation from the government for a talk. So as I've informed just now, a few minutes back, we have received a message from the magistrate that the education minister invite us for a talk. So we as a leader, we have decided to go and meet him and let us see what he have to say from his end. Okay? Biang? Bangin day kendong ngin snap kay ba ka sorkar kadon banong hakabay day baka ni ka benca.
Dia keren ni no.
Ka kompak dia keren ni no. Snap. Pa jai snap.